Couple of hens there now I've separated. All fully moulded now. Keeping on to those. Some mosaic cocks. He turned out very nice. This guy here. Still molting away, still a bit to do on their faces. There's plenty of bats there now. There's an agate, there's an opal there. Still a bit to go. There's an agate in there at the back. He's nearly done. There's a nice clear red mosaic there. All hens in here now. All fully malted now, I'd say as well. Keeping all these. More reds in here. Probably be keeping most of these. Some lovely colour in them. Some cocks there and hens. Lovely ivory back there. A brother of his died on me. Beautiful bird as well. And a hen that I had. Some nice colour. All hens that went down this year. Keeping all them. Still happy with them. So I'm not going to move them on. I actually be keeping everything this year. Same cocks. With the same crew I think this year. The other cock that I had. Same as himself. Died. She's a beautiful cock. My grey wings, they'll be all kept. 2 grey wings cocks, the one looking great. This cock up here. I'm pushing on a bit, but I'm going to chance him again this year. Keeping all these. Some lovely ivories for this guy. Never bred this fella this year. He'll definitely be bred this next year.